not you.
Roy, shut the fuck up. That's what you get. Come on, you want to play on my tummy rummy? Huh?
Play with that.
My tummy rummy look big.
It's so bad. Look at it. Boom. Dun, 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 dun. It's so funny. It's fun. It's fun. I'm about to tell you something for a second. The hell is that? I'm about to lick it.
Oh, we cannot put this on YouTube.
I'm about to lick it. Why not?
Because you all looking all over my naked stomach.
I don't.
Ew.
I wanna.
Stop acting like that. People really think you retarded. You know, people already say you special.
I'm not passive. I don't know. Oh! Well, Cole, what your problem is? Not funny. Aha! Okay.
Fuck you. Now, oompy that. How was that? Oompy that. Yeah. I'm glad you think it's funny. Cancer patient. That's why you got the head on because you going bald.
Actually, my head is going
You going bald. Cancer. That's your new name. Your name ain't Usher no more. Your name is Cancer. Is that your breath or did you just fart? Is that your breath or did you just fart? Is it your or did you just? Is that your or did you just? Is that your breath or did you just fart? Is it your breath or did you just fart? Is it your breath or did you just fart? Cause something smells like number 2. I checked around. I even looked on my shoe. But something still smells like 2. And I noticed that it was you. Is that your breath or did you just fart? Oh, get it, Shawnee. Just fart. Is that your breath or did you just fart? Is that your breath or did you just fart? Is that your or did you just? Is that your? Get your hand off of that. Stop it. I'ma stop the video.